Hey mama, welcome back. Today, let's talk about one of the most underrated tools in breastfeeding, the manual breast pump. Many moms think electric pumps are the only way to go, but a manual pump can be just as amazing, and sometimes even better. First, it gives you full control. You decide how fast or gentle to pump, depending on what feels comfortable. It's quiet, simple, and feels more natural, like your baby's rhythm. Second, it's portable and convenient. No wires, no batteries, just grab it, use it anywhere, and clean it easily afterward. It's small enough to fit in your bag, perfect for travel or quick pumping sessions. Another thing moms love is that it's budget-friendly. Manual pumps are affordable but still get the job done. Plus, with fewer parts, there's less to wash and maintain. And honestly, it's peaceful. No noise, no rush, just you, your body, and your milk flow. Sometimes the simplest tools give you the most freedom. So if you've been wondering whether a manual breast pump is worth it, it absolutely is. It's safe, gentle, and designed to support you in your own rhythm. You're doing amazing, mama, one gentle squeeze at a time.